Every 5 minutes, someone dies from a snake bite. Over 100,000 people every year, and the only cure comes from the blood of a horse. Snakebite is one of the most ignored health crises on Earth. Modern medicine still cannot create a synthetic cure that works fast enough. Nature's immune system is still winning. Horses carry up to 40 liters of blood in their body. That massive volume makes them the most powerful natural antibody factory on Earth. Scientists inject a tiny, completely safe dose of snake venom. The horse feels almost nothing. But deep inside its bloodstream, the immune system recognizes the venom as an enemy. It starts producing millions of specialized antibodies, soldiers built to destroy that exact toxin. Once the horse becomes super immune, scientists use a process called plasmapheresis. They extract only the plasma, the liquid part of blood containing the antibodies. Every single red blood cell is immediately pumped back into the horse. These horses live in open green fields, in social herds with the best possible care. They never know they just helped save a human life. But raw horse plasma cannot go directly into a human. It would cause severe allergic reactions. Advanced filtration technology strips away every single horse protein. What remains is pure, only the venom-destroying antibody molecules. Each batch is then tested against the world's deadliest snakes: cobras, mambas, vipers. Only when it defeats every single one does it become the antivenom vial that saves a human life. In 2026, scientists are using artificial intelligence to map horse antibodies at the molecular level. The goal is to replicate them digitally and eventually produce antivenom without using any animals at all. But that day has not yet arrived. AI is now mapping these antibodies to end animal use entirely. But today, a quiet horse standing in a field is the only reason a cobra bite is survivable. We owe them everything. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe, because nature has thousands more secrets like this one.